Software industry has always been a roller coaster ride with its ups and downs. Every 5 to 8 years, there has been some economic slowdown or global recession which led to significant layoffs. I've been working in this industry from 2003 and have witnessed multiple recessions. The year 2023 is no exception, with more than 2 lakh software engineers fired so far. The recent layoffs have left many professionals uncertain about their future. However, it's crucial to remember that opportunities arise for those who are adaptable and proactive, irrespective of any bad news, heartburns, and chaos. In this video, we will explore 6 tips along with personal examples on how you can not only survive but thrive in the middle of layoffs and get significant career growth in the tech industry. Let's explore these tips in detail. 1. Embrace lifelong learning. In the times of uncertainty, the value of upskilling and expanding your knowledge is paramount. Tech industry is a rapid evolving field. Staying ahead of the curve is crucial. Invest your time and resources in acquiring new skills. It can be through various avenues, online courses, certifications, or industry workshops. The options are just unlimited. By demonstrating a commitment to self-improve, you can position yourself as a valuable asset to potential employers. Let me give you a personal example without taking names. He is a software engineer and was laid off recently. He was unemployed for 6 months. He utilized his newfound free time to learn machine learning and artificial intelligence. He took various machine learning related certifications during this time. These additional skill sets not only made him employable but also allowed him to negotiate a much higher salary, securing a much higher income in his next job. 2. Identify emerging tech trends. During economic downtimes, certain sectors in the tech industry continue to thrive. Identify emerging technologies that are in high demand despite the recession. Areas such as artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, cloud computing, and data analytics have demonstrated consistent growth in the last 5 years. These are likely to provide ample job opportunities and lucrative salaries. I can guarantee you that you can ride this wave and survive in the industry for the next 5 to 10 years. The trends will invariably change after that. You need to keep looking out and upskill on these technologies accordingly. If possible, work with your boss and try to be part of projects in these areas. Let me give you a personal example. She is a project manager and was nervous about the ongoing layoffs. She was concerned that her job would be impacted. She has seen that companies could lay off many project managers during layoffs and hire them back when the economic conditions improve. It's like fire and hire. She did research and recognized the rising demand for cybersecurity professionals in the middle of increased cyber threats and ransomware attacks. Please refer to my ransomware playlist if you want to know more. She enrolled in specialized cybersecurity training. This helped her to position herself as a sought-after expert in the field. She successfully landed a high-paying job in a renowned cybersecurity firm, highlighting her new skills to secure a significant hike in her next job. 3. Leverage your network. Networking has always played a crucial role in career growth. It becomes even more vital during the periods of uncertainty. Actively engage with professionals in your industry through online platforms, industry events, and local meetups. Leverage your connections to gain insights into the potential job opportunities and tap into the hidden job market. Let me give you a personal example. He is a UX designer and was impacted by the recent layoffs. He changed his LinkedIn status to open to work immediately without feeling any shame. He reached out to his network and expressed his willingness to freelance or take on short-term projects. His proactive approach led to referrals from various colleagues and friends. This ultimately resulted in a steady stream of high-paying freelance jobs. He added these freelance experiences in his resume and was eventually able to negotiate a much higher salary. 4. Diversify your skill set. Specializing in a specific area of expertise is valuable. However, having a diverse skill set can make you more adaptable and resilient during economic downturns. Tech roles are becoming increasingly interdisciplinary. Possessing complementary skills will allow you to explore various avenues within the industry. For example, if you are a web developer, consider expanding your knowledge in related areas like UI/UX design, project management, or data analysis. Work with your boss and volunteer to work in these areas. Let me give you a personal example. She is a data scientist. She reevaluated her career during the recent layoffs and recognized the need for a broader skill set. She came up with an action plan to broaden her expertise in machine learning, data visualization, and cloud computing. When her previous company downsized, she was able to transition seamlessly into the role as a data engineer, leveraging her expanded skill set and securing a significant appraisal. 5. Become a problem solver. Companies facing economic challenges often seek employees who can provide innovative solutions and help streamline operations. Sharpen your problem solving skills and highlight your ability to drive efficiencies, reduce cost, and enhance productivity. Position yourself as a problem solver, showcasing real world examples on how you contributed to positive outcomes in the previous roles. Companies don't want employees who mug up on theory. They want doers, people who can deliver things, who can demonstrate and showcase real world examples. This will look impressive in your resume and help to propel you to bigger opportunities as well. Let me give you a personal example. She is a product manager and was scared about being impacted in recent layoffs. She stretched herself and identified inefficiencies in her company's supply chain during the recession. Since she is a subject matter expert in this area, this domain expertise helped her to come up with a detailed solution. She proposed this solution along with an action plan on details on how it can be streamlined and reduce the cost. This initiative could save the company tons of money. Her boss was impressed and eventually led to her promotion with a pretty good hike. In other words, she ended up in a much better place instead of getting fired. As you can see, fear can be your friend and help you to achieve things which you never thought was possible before. 6. Entrepreneurship and freelancing opportunities. During the periods of economic uncertainty, the demand for freelance tech professionals and entrepreneurs often increases. Leveraging your skills to work independently or start your own tech venture will help. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Freelancer provide the opportunities to showcase your expertise and secure high-paying projects. I personally know many engineers who are securing much more than their salary through freelancing. They consider it as a secondary income. Entrepreneurship allows you to take control of your career, build a diverse portfolio, and potentially create a much higher income stream. Let me give you a personal example. He is a UX engineer and was laid off during the recession. However, he used his generous severance package to start his own UX consultancy. He offered his services to startups and established companies and was able to find many clients during the last few months. He not only achieved a significant income but also enjoyed the flexibility and autonomy that entrepreneurship provided. Let me summarize. Tech layoffs and economic recessions will cause uncertainty and fear. These are cyclic events and will happen every 5 to 8 years. Remember that they also present opportunities for growth and advancement. Embrace lifelong learning. Identify emerging tech trends. Leverage your network. Showcase your problem-solving skills. Be a problem solver. Embrace freelancing opportunities. This is the guaranteed formula to position yourself for success and secure a lucrative salary in the tech industry even during the challenging times. Always remember that resilience and adaptability are key to thrive in the middle of storm and emerge stronger than ever before. Stop complaining, accept the reality, and be a survivor. Do you think your job is unaffected by layoffs? Which of these strategies are going to adapt to stay relevant? Please let us know in the comments. Also, please check out other videos in the Artificial Intelligence playlist to keep yourself up to date and stay relevant. Please like the video and share it with your friends. If you want to stay up to date on the latest technology trends, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you.